Leveraging your list. If you already have a list and are an experienced marketer, then there are a number of ways that you can increase your income. You have a lot of power in that list, and you can use it in many different ways. Sell solo ads. You can start selling solo ads to other marketers. Here you will sell guaranteed clicks for a set price. You always need to vet the ads that people send to you for solo ad clicks, and using your experience, you can suggest tweaks to the ads so that the click will be more likely. Some solo ad sellers insist on writing the ads themselves. It's up to you. In the internet marketing niche, clicks sell for around 35 cents to over $1. When you are just starting out, it is best to start at the lower end to build your business. You can increase your prices once you have proven that you are a quality seller. You can market your solo ad business on the Warrior Forum, on Facebook, or join quality sites like Udemy.com. There is always good demand for solo ads, and if you become a high-quality solo ad seller, you will make a lot of money. Coaching. You have probably spent a lot of time, money, and effort building your list, so why not teach others how to succeed online? You can promote one-on-one coaching or group coaching to your list and give them a discount as they are your subscribers. High-ticket courses. You could create a high-ticket course teaching people how to make a lot of money online. List building will be a foundation of this course. There are many big list marketers who have had a lot of success with this approach.